Index to Foreign Legal Periodicals is a publication of the American Association of Law Libraries, compiled and edited by the IFLP staff at Berkeley Law Library at the University of California, as well as other subject matter experts around the world. It is the preeminent multilingual index to articles and book reviews appearing in hundreds of legal journals published worldwide, and it provides in-depth coverage of public and private international law, comparative and foreign law, and the law of most jurisdictions in more than 30 languages. With a subscription to Index to Foreign Legal Periodicals, users can sign up for IFLP alerts directly from the database homepage. Simply select the Create New IFLP Alert User option. Next, enter your institutional email address. From the IFLP Alert form, enter your name and select your preferences for alerts, which cover topics, regions, country subjects, journals, and languages. Expand each facet to see the available metadata to choose from. Once you have finished filling out the form, create your profile. IFLP alerts will be sent the first Monday of each month and include links to the entries in the IFLP database, as well as direct links to the full text of the article if it's available in HeinOnline. Users can manage these alerts directly from their MyHein profile. From the IFLP Alert portal, you can deselect alerts or add additional alerts to update your profile settings. Select the Update button once your selections have been made. What's more, individuals can sign up to become IFLP admins, so they can manage their faculty or staff's IFLP alerts for them. When signed into MyHein, the admin portal will display all the IFLP alerts available for that person's institution. To become an admin, visit the website listed or see the IFLP LibGuide for more details. To recap, subscribers to IFLP can receive unlimited free IFLP alert profiles, where they can create tailored alerts based on index topics, regions, country subjects, journals, and languages. These alerts include direct hyperlinking to the Law Journal Library when available, and are delivered on the first Monday of each month. Easily manage your faculty or staff's notifications through your own MyHein account. We hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Stay tuned to the HeinOnline blog for the next one. See you soon!